and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful bookmark. It's 4 small squares and then I connect all of them together. So we're going to work on this small square separately and then you're going to repeat it 3 times. Let's start, shall we? I'm going to start by doing a magic circle and rotating this way. Insert the hook and then pull through. In this magic circle, I'm going to work a 12 single crochet, which I'm going to insert the hook here. I have 2 loops. This is the first. Again, insert the hook inside the circle, pull over. I have 2 loops, and then pull over the 2 loops. I have 3 single crochet. I want 12. Finish the remaining 9 and come again. I have 12. I'm going to insert, or I'm going to pull the yarn first to close my circle, and then insert at the top of the first single crochet, yarn over, then cut my yarn. I'm going to insert at the top of any of the single crochet, and it's going to consist of cluster of 3 double crochet. Again, I'm going to chain 1 only, and then yarn over only the first 2 loops. I'm working as if I'm going to do a double crochet, but I'm going to insert the yarn only the first 2 loops. See, I'm working and then holding the yarn, pull again as I'm working for double crochet, but I'm going to insert the first 2 loops only. Again, the first 2 loops only, and now I have 4 loop on my hook, insert through all, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, work around the yarn again, and each of the single crochet I'm going to do the cluster of double crochet. At the top I'm going to insert, as I'm working for double crochet, but only the first 2 loop. I'm pulling only the first 2 loop. Again, I have 4 loop through all loop, 1, 2 and 3. Finish until you have a 12 cluster of double crochet. I have finished my 12 cluster. I'm going to insert the hook at the top of the first cluster and then chain 1, then cut the yarn, also this yarn, pull, because when you're working you're going to pull the circle open, so pull before you cut, pull the yarn before you cut the yarn, and that way I have my flower. I'm going to turn it now to a small square. At any of the chain 3 spaces, insert the yarn, chain 2. In the same stitch you're going to work half double crochet twice, and then chain 1, half double crochet in the next chain 3 space, and then half double crochet, a single crochet, chain 1, a single crochet, half double crochet, chain 1, and then this is the corner, which consists of 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. This is my corner, so continue doing. Now half double, single, chain, single, half double, and then the corner. Continue and come again. I have reached the end. I'm going to do at the same stitch that I started. I'm going to do 3 double half double crochet and then chain 3 at the top of the first 2 single crochet 2 chain. I'm going to do a slip stitch and then yarn over and cut. This is the extra yarn that I already worked around. As you can see, it's very secured. You don't need a needle. And that way I have my small square. I'm going to continue, I'm going to repeat this square 3 times more, and then come again for attaching the square and working on the border. I already attached 3 squares. I'm going to show you how to attach the last one. What am I going to do? I'm going to place them next to each other, and then in the outer yarn, this one, I'm going to insert the needle. Also from the other side, I'm going to insert the needle and then pull the yarn again. And then again in the same place that I already insert, I'm going to insert again to create this small circle. In this small circle, I'm going to insert the yarn again and then pull. Oh, sorry, again. And then that way I have created knot. Again, in the same place, I'm going to create another circle and insert the needle inside the circle, and that I have created my knot. Again, and so on. I'm going to attach the square. I'm going to do the same. Insert the needle at the outer loop from both square and pull. Outer and pull. See, I'm inserting in the outer from both sides and the pull. Very easy. Only the outer loop. Continue doing this until you finish. See how it's become? Very simple, very beautiful. Finish them and come again at the end. I have reached my outer, the last loop that I'm going to insert the yarn, as you can see, and then at the outer loop of any of the square, I'm going to insert the yarn again, creating this small circle, insert the yarn inside it, and that way I have created a knot. Again in the next loop to secure my yarn, creating a circle, insert, and this is how I have secured the yarn, and then cut. Now bring the yarn, attaching at any of the stitches. I'm going to insert here any of I have secured it again. I think pull the yarn, one chain, and now at each of the stitches I'm going to do one single crochet. only the half double and the single crochet. I'm going to create one single crochet. In the chain space, I'm going to leave. I'm not going to do any of the stitches. And then here, one single crochet. And on this corner, I'm going to do first 2 single crochet, then chain 1, 2 single crochet, and then I have 3 half double. I'm going to do a single crochet. I have create 1, 2, and a third one. This single chain I'm not going to work. I have 2 half double. It's half and a single, so I'm going to create single. So only single crochet at all the stitches, excluding the one chain. I'm not going to do any single crochet. Finish them and come again. I have reached the end. Add the 2 square connecting. This is the corner from this square, and this is the corner from the other square. I'm going to do 2 single crochet, and in this space here I'm going also to do 1 single crochet, here 2 single crochet, and then here 3 single crochet. See, I have worked around all my yarn. And then I have the last 2 single crochet, and then a slip stitch in the first single crochet, and that way I have created my bookmark. Now for the last part, I'm going to do a slip stitch at the outer loop for all. See, I am inserting my hook at the outer loop and then doing a chain or a slip stitch. See? Now, why am I doing this? To bring the yarn out. If I put my, see how this design, to bring this design out, I have to do a slip stitch at all the outer loop. See? Continue doing this until you reach the middle. I think this one middle, so another 2, and this is the middle. I'm going to do 20 chain 1, and this is 20 chain, and then in the same stitch I'm going to do a slip stitch, and that way I have created my handle. Again, continue doing the slip stitch around all the loop. See, this my previous one, how am I created around all the loop until we reach the end, and then we'll do a slip stitch in the first one, and then secure the yarn in the outer part. Continue finishing them and meet me again at the end. I have finished, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the end and then yarn over. Now any extra yarn you need to cut. What am I going to do with this yarn? At the outer loop, from here, perhaps. I'm going to insert, or here, at the outer loop only. And then the extra I'm going to cut. And that way I have my bookmark. I hope you like my tutorial, and subscribe in my channel and press the like button for more video tutorial on crochet. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.